Okay, now the point here is we are talking about the loops. Now we take an example here. Right. So we have different types of loops. That's one of the type is for loop, and another type is while loop, and another type is do while loop.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically 98% we use for loop or while loop.
Okay.
Only in some scenarios, only we go for the do and while. Okay. So that is respectively, it is whenever your functionality says and functionality demanded to do that, then only we go for the do while loop. Or else maximum percentage we use for loop or while loop. Okay. Now coming to the point of a for loop. What is the for loop does? Basically, when you see the for loop, it is divided into the 3 points. Okay. What is statement 1, statement 2, and statement 3 here? Okay. Now coming to the point of statement 1. Statement 1 is initialization. Initialization. Okay. And the statement 2 is
Condition.
Condition. And the statement 3 is
Increment or decrement.
increment or decrement. This is what it's gonna be happen, right?
Yeah.
So now when the repetition is happening, when the initialization, condition, and increment, decrement, whenever up to which scenario this loop will continue
Until the condition satisfies.
until the condition gets failed.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Guys, are you following, or are you getting confused? Anything?
Can you repeat once?
Yeah, we'll do that. For int I equal to 0, this is called
Initialization.
initialization. I less than 10, this is called
Condition.
I
Plus.
That's increment.
So this is called increment.
Yeah.
This is what I'm gonna do. If I say like if I say this one, what it happens? It will come first I is 0, then it will check this condition. Is what is the value of I here?
0.
0 less than 10, true or false?
True.
Okay. Then if it is true, then it will come here, execute.
0.
Then it will go back. So it will go back here to increment. So first it will happen, increment will happen.
Yeah.
So now what is the value of I?
1.
So it will come back to the condition 1 less than 10. Is it true or false?
True.
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 It brings the one.
Print 1.
Okay, and again it go back. So it will come here. What is the value of I now?
2.
Two.
How much?
2.
2.
Because it is incremented. Because previously it was 1. 1 plus plus means what it says?
One. Increment.
2 less than 10, right?
Condition.
Yes.
Condition is true. Then again it comes here and prints. So like that, it will repeat. Finally it comes here 9.
9. Yes.
9 plus what is the value?
10.
10. 10 less than 10, true or false?
False. Not satisfied.
So once it is false, then it's come out the. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Anyone has any questions? See, you should not hesitate anything like, shall I ask or not? 100% you can able to ask. Until you understand, you should ask. Okay.
Moulali, in statement 3, we can only use increment or decrement. We cannot use anything else.
What else you are thinking to use?
I don't know anything like anything other than increment or decrement.
So actually the basic syntax of an for loop is these three statements. One is initialization, second is condition, third one is increment and decrement.
Okay.
Okay. So you have to use these things. That's it.
Oh, okay.
So this is the syntax, basic syntax of a for loop. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Anything else? Hi Teja. Saitesh? Hello.
Yeah, nothing. I understood.
Are you good? Okay. Navdeep? Navdeep.
Nothing. I understood. Can I hear you?
No, I understand about you, Saitesh. I was asking Navdeep.
Hello. Hello.
Saitesh, I heard about you. I was asking Navdeep. Hello, Navdeep, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there. Basically, voice was breaking.
Okay, so you are in phone internet or you are in the...
No. I'm in Wi-Fi house.
Okay, now it is clear, probably.
Yeah.
Okay, how about you, Navdeep?
Hello. Yeah, I can.
Who is talking? Is this Saitesh is talking or Navdeep is talking?
No, I'm Saitesh.
Yes, Saitesh, I understand. That's fine. You are good. How about
Yeah.
Navdeep?
Anna, hello. Hello.
Yes, Navdeep.
Anna, my wife has a problem with me. Not. I don't understand, Anna.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you clear what do you mean by for
Yeah,
loop?
no, okay, I'm understand. I was editor. Find out. I'm understand. No problem, Anna.
Okay. Monica,
Yes, sir.
so are you clear about it?
Yes, sir. Sorry.
That's great. How about you, Lakshmi?
Yeah, no, I understand.
Right, that's good. Okay, guys. So, guys, make sure, because these are the things is very, very important in our future sessions. Okay, so that's why I was telling you clearly, repeatedly. So you have to know 100%. There is no doubt at all. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is called a for loop, right? Now,
Moulali, one last small question. Okay. I have some doubt. I tried it before. What if I want to increment the number not by one, more than one, like suppose 2? Then what can I write?
I plus equal to 2, you can write.
I plus equal to 2. That will increment it with 2. Or any number I want to say, like I plus equal to 5, then it will increment to 5.
That's what I believe so.
Okay. Thank you.
Right?
Yeah.
Anything else? Any questions? Manjunath?
No, Moulali, I'm good.
Very good. Fine. Okay. Then we'll go to the another loop. The another loop is a while loop. Okay. If you understand the for loop, while loop is so easy because for loop and while loop are pretty much similar. I'm not saying it is the same. I was saying it is a similar. Okay.
Yeah.
Now here, how many conditions we have seen? Three things.
Three conditions.
Statement one,
Three
statement two, and
statements.
statement three.
Yeah.
In the while loop also is the same thing. There would be a three statements as available. Statement one, statement two, and statement three. But the place where it was using is different. That's only the change. Or else rest of the things, everything is the same. That is also for loop, and this is also that's also for is also one type of a loop, and while is also one type of a loop, and that is also iterates, and this one also iterates. But the point here is the way how we are gonna be increment, how we are gonna be condition, and how we are gonna be initialized is that different. That's only the syntactically it is different, but as per the functionality, it does the same work. There is no change at all. Okay.
Okay.
Now, integer I equal to 0. So what it is mean? Initialization. So while I less than 10, what does it mean?
Condition.
So finally, so this is a
Increment.
so the same three statements. There is nothing difference here, right? The same three statements. There is nothing difference we are gonna be see here. The only point is the difference of putting your statement. Either you want to put it in the same line or you have to put it into the different places. Okay, got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Now, Lavanya,
No.
can you explain this while loop, how it works?
We are initializing I equal to 0. It goes to the condition and checks. 0 is less than 10. It comes true. Then it prints the I value. Increment. Sorry, and it goes to it increments. It checks the I plus increment increment.
What is I value?
And again, value is 1, and again it checks the condition. 1 is less than 10.
Okay.
Then
it will
repetition will be takes place.
Okay.
Up to 10 is less than condition will be 10 is less than 10.
10 is less than 10. So until the condition
will be 10 is less than 10.
Right? Until the condition fails, it keeps on
it will
repeat,
go on.
so that you can able to see the output, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great, sir. Now, now the point here is for tomorrow, you guys has to make some type of for loops, and within the for loop, I mean for loop, you can have a nested for loop, so you can create some very good diagrams in terms of like, I already seen in the WhatsApp groups, but make it do your homework once again so that you will get a grip on it. Got it?
Yes.
So try to print the numbers in the same pyramid order. Try to print the your name. So somehow, whatever the different ways you can able to do that, you can try to do it. Okay. There are n number of examples is available in internet. You can just take it, but understand it. Don't copy and paste. Understand how it works and show me that tomorrow so that we can able to discuss and we can see that. Got it?
Yeah.
That's great. That's great. Now this break and continue, it's very simple. It's by the name itself, it says again it's a breaking and it's a continuing. That's we don't need to be going to discuss. Now we'll see about the arrays. Got it?
Yeah.
Any questions up to now in any of the concept? to anyone?
Actually, I'm having one doubt. In for loop, there is another. There is also another type like for extended for loop.
Extend for loop.
Yeah.
What do you mean by extend for loop?
For each.
What is this? This extend listing for loop. What is the extend for loop? Are you telling the same one, Nageshwari? This is what you are saying?
Extended for loop. Yeah, for each loop. It's also known as for each loop.
For each loop.
Yes.
Okay. No. See, the for each loop we can see later. So that will comes with the arrays. You will understand properly. But for now, if you understand this for and while loop, for each is so easy.
Okay.
Okay. Get it?
Hello. I have one doubt.
Yes, Leela.
Actually, you write simple program, Anna. You go to that program. Yeah. For loop, Anna.
Yeah, this is
Yeah. Actually, it's I equal to 0, I less than 10. It's first initialize the value I equal to 0, then it's go to the condition, then it comes to the inside that for loop.
Correct.
Yeah. I equal to 0, then how it prints the 1, Anna? Actually, it's a post increment, right? First of all, it prints the value, then only it's increment, right?
Yes, it comes to 0, then only it will go here, right?
0 means first I equal to I prints the here increment means I equal to 0 plus that it takes the 0 only. Then only next statement it's increment, right?
So you are expecting the output would be 0, 1, 2, 3. This is what my expectation. But you are saying it will come as a 1, 2, 3?
0, 0, 1, 2, 3, I think.
How come it comes to 0, 0, 1, 2, 3?
Actually, it's post increment, right? First of all, it's I equal to 0. Then only it's not. First of all, it prints the I equal to next only 0 only.
I'll tell you one thing. See, we come here, 0 is happened. 0 plus what will happen?
1.
1 happened. Already it changed the value. I values got changed. Then it came here, 1 less than 10. Then 1 is printed.
Okay.
It is not comes like, so in your case, if you are saying like that, Leela Prasad, so it should be like this every time.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
So that's not going to be happen, right?
Yeah.
Right? It should be like this. Clear? Is it clear, Leela Prasad?
Yeah, got it.
Any questions from anyone? Guys, can you go on mute? If you have any questions, please unmute yourself and talk.
Okay, there is another thing like plus y. What does that do?
Post increment.
So these are the different ways you need to do it, and let me know how it works. Okay.
Okay.
So the point here is, this is called increment. So you want to do the pre or you want to do the post, it depends on you and depends on your requirement. So how you want to do, it's up to you. Got it?
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll go to the arrays. Okay. First of all, we will understand the arrays concept. It is little bit tricky, but it is so easy. So the people already, whomever it's like done the computer science background. So we have seen many times in our programming languages arrays, but it was so difficult that people should understand. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right? So We'll see now. Okay. To understand this arrays, we'll take our generalized and day-to-day example. Okay. What is this diagram? In your day life, like whenever did you see this type of diagram?
Lunchbox. Lunchbox.
Lunchbox? Okay. Anyone? Someone is hungry now. I
Cupboard.
understand.
Essential.
Shelf, cupboard.
Yes, it's shelf basically. So, for example, guys, I put here my laptop, and I put here my speakers, and I added here my suitcase, and I added here my keyboard, and I put it here my lunch box. Okay, so there are the different items. I put it into the shelf box, right? This is my shelf. For example, if my wife says, okay, Moulali, can you get the lunch box from your cupboard, means what I do, I'll go here and I'll search from this place to coming here. Okay, I find the lunch box here, then I will take it and give it to her. That's what is going to happen, correct? Now, in the same way, if I'm saying to my son, Aman, go and get my laptop in the shelf at the first place, so that he will say, he will come and directly search in the first place itself. So he will not go for any else. He will go and search directly in the first place and he will get it to me. Correct or not? That's the way that's the way we do, right? So if you have something and identify some location, directly we'll go and take from that, we'll put our hand into that location and we'll take it and we'll come back. That's the way it is, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, arrays is also very simple concept. Basically, in Hindi, these people will say like almari, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And in Telugu, they say arra, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So I mean, it is basically, this is not something new concept which is implemented in the programming. This is the day-to-day concept which we use in our day-to-day life. Okay, so almari is the same thing, arra is the same thing, and array in programming language is the same thing. There is nothing difference here, but only the point is like how you understand is the difference. Now, coming to the point here. Take this example. Okay, so now think about it. In this shelf, there are 5 types of cars are there. One is Volvo car, BMW, Ford, Mazda, and Benz. Like we have 5 types of cars. Now to access this arra to almari, we'll go from the top, right? We'll take the Volvo, we'll take the BMW, we'll take the Ford, and we'll take the Mazda, and then we'll take the Benz. That is what we are going to access, right? Now, for example, if you know at the level, at the position of the Benz, if you know the position, then you can take directly. Yes or no?
Yes.
So we can able to access this array in 2 ways. One is From the top, you can go each and everything. You can take the items from this one, right?
First out or last in first?
From the top.
Yeah.
Okay. And the second way is with the number, with the position. So I can say like it's an index basically. Okay. Got it?
Yes.
So
Yes,
with the index, I can say first index, second index, third index, fourth index, fifth index. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
So these are the two ways you can able to access your items from Almari. Okay. Now, the same thing which is implemented in our programming language also. Now, for example, if you see here, if I say the example here given, here I say is a cards. So what they say? So this is the shelf, right? Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
So for
Yes.
this shelf, I have to put some name. So when I say like this name, right? I say cards shelf. Okay. So if anyone says like, I will say to my son, like, Aman, go to the card shelf and get the, go to the index of second and get the some card, whatever the card is available in that. So he will go, he will open the cards and he will get it from the, whatever the index I said to him. Now, in the same way, if you want to access any value from the cards, if you see this, cards of 2. Got it?
Yes.
So if I say cards of 2 means you will get whatever the card it will come. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the point here is the index starts from the 0. So this is the 0th position. This is the first position. This is the second position. This is the third position. And this is the fourth position.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Any questions up to now? Guys, are you clear from the Almari?
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Now, in the same way. Yes, Manjunath, you have any question?
No, I'm good.
Okay, good. Okay, in the same way, when you access the values from this, so now this Almari is a specific type of Almari. That means if you say this Almari is a cars Almari, means only cars you are gonna be put it. You cannot put it something else over there. You cannot put your cycle, you cannot put your scooter here. If you say cars means only cars you have to put. But in the same way, if you say something else different Almari, so specific. So basically, in our home also, we have different Almaris for different purpose. For example, if you go for kitchen, you have a kitchen Almari, only the kitchen items will be there. And if you come to this closet and you have all your clothes Almari. And if you go your office, you will have only your files Almari. Something like that, right? There is a designated things is available on the designated Almaris. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, in the same way, this Almari, this array is a string type. That means only a string values will be available in this Almari, in this array. Okay. You cannot put a different item in the respective Almari, which you are mentioned already. For example, I mentioned this one is a string Almari. That means I can only put the string values. I cannot put the numbers here. That is not the way we design. Got it?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, sir. Yes.
Guys, I'm totally relating to our day-to-day life. I'm not telling something different. This is the way which we grown up and we used to be like that. This is the same thing which is already available in the programming. but only the thing like you need to connect the dot from how we used and how it is gonna be worked. That's it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if you are saying as a string means always the items is available in the almari should be a string only. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, for example, I'll say if I say like this, it has only integer array,
Integer.
right?
Yes.
Yes.
Now to access the values from this almari, we use the index, right?
Text. Yes.
Yes.
So the index starts from
0.
0.
02.
very good. The index starts from the 0th position. This is the first position, and this is the second position,
Second.
and this one is the third position.
Third
And
position.
this one is the fourth
Fourth.
position. Now, can anyone tell me what is the size of this almari?
5.
5.
5.
Very good. The size of the almari is the 5. You should not see like, Moulali, here only the 4 index is the 4 is there, right? The maximum number is the 4 only, right? The size should be 4, right? How can you can able to say that? Because it's a number. This is the index it is. So, but the length, if you start like first, second, third, fourth, 5 items are there. That means the length is 5,
5.
right?
Yes.
Here,
Yes.
got it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now, as I said earlier, how many ways we can able to get the items from the almari?
2 ways.
2 ways.
Two ways. The first way is
Top to bottom.
from the starting to you need to fetch the data, and the second way is
By using
Directly
index.
go to the
By
number.
your
Index number.
index numbers.
with the index, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll see the we already seen the second way. This is the second way which we have seen, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Now we'll see the first way. The first way is for
String.
got it. So that means what I am doing here is this is called for each. Means I want the data, each data. I want the data from the almari, each one. Okay. What will happen, this is the cars. So this cars means how many items are there?
5.
5.
Five
So I
items.
want to get the each data from this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So what will happen, this cars means it has the Volvo, BMW, Ford and Mazda. So it says each car means first item it will put it in the each car, then print, then it will go. And the second item it will pop from here and it will put it here, then it will go. And it will come here. Third item it will put it in the each car, then it will go. Then come here. Fourth item it will put it here, it will go. And then if there's any item is balance here,
No.
No.
then it will come out. So it is popping each and every item in the top to bottom order. Got it? This is called for each. For each means by the name itself you can understand it is iterating the each item from the list of items. Got it?
Yeah. Okay.
So the list of items is, these are the list of items is available in here. So it will give the each item from the list of items. That is called for each. Okay.
Okay.
Guys, Are you confusing or you are understanding? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Understanding.
No, I got it.
Varlakshmi, Harsha, Olamita,
Yes.
Rekha, Saitej.
Yeah, I can.
I mean, see, the point here is not you can, but are you really understanding or you're getting some questions or you're getting somewhere struck? I need to know that. If you are if you did not understand, you can ask me, I can put it in another way so that everyone should be able to get it.
I'm understanding.
Okay. So how about Polamita?
Yes, I have understood.
Okay, that's good. How about you, Rekha? Indira?
Yes, I know that.
Okay. How about you, Varlakshmi?
Anna, I don't understand seventh line.
What was it?
Seventh line, for loop. You are using for loop or any?
So this is what I was asking, right, Varlakshmi? You need to ask me. So I cannot call you each and every person. If you did not understand, tell me so that I can able to put it in another way. Okay, now tell me what you did not understand.
Hello?
Yes, Varlakshmi, tell me.
You are using for loop or any for loop item?
Okay, see, here, okay, we'll come to the point here. As I said initially, there are two ways to get the data from the array, right?
Okay.
So I'll put it in another way, Varlakshmi. So this is take your almari, basically. Okay.
Okay.
So from this almari, how many ways you can able to take the data, take the items from that?
Top to bottom and index giving.
No, don't go with the programming, nothing. Normally, I was asking, if you want to take the items from your almari, how many ways you can able to take it?
Go to the first first item.
Lakshmi, what I was saying that take this is your dressing room and the dressing almari. Okay, so here you have some sort of different types of clothes. Okay, so now, for example, if you want to take the items from your almari, so how do you take it? That's what I was asking. So you want to take it from the different almari directly. If you go here in the second place and get it, or you want to take it from the top, you can go each and everything and finally find it. Okay, my item is here and get it. That's the way you are gonna be take it, right?
Yes.
Correct? Clear?
Clear.
That's point. It's understand, right?
Yes, understand.
Okay. Now, in our programming language also, the similar way it is there. Now, for example, as I said earlier, if you take if you put a laptop in the first place, if you put your tiffin bags in the second place, if you put your keyboard in the third place, if you put your whites in the, your whites in the fourth place, and you put it in your water bottle in the fifth place. Okay. Now, if you want to take the water bottle, where you will go? If I say, Varlakshmi, can you please bring me the water bottle from the almari, means what did you say? Where do you go and take it directly?
Fifth place I will go to.
But you don't know the point, right? I said only I need the water bottle. So what did you do? You need to go from the starting. You will check here, is the water bottle is available here? No. You will go here, water bottle is available here, is no. You will go here, water bottle is available here, no. And you will go here, water bottle is available here, or no. Then finally you will find it here and you will get it to me. Yes or no?
Yes, Anna.
That's the one way. And another way. So I'll say Varlakshmi, can you get me the water bottle at the fourth index? Okay. If I say the exact number, what do? You open the almari and directly go here. Okay, he said the fourth. okay, the fourth is the water bottle itself, and get it to me. Correct or not?
Yes, Anna. Correct.
So this is the way you are gonna be. Usually, you will get it from the whatever the day-to-day life items which we are gonna be get it from the some sort of almari, right?
Right.
Now, in the same way, in our programming language also, we have a same type of a concept like almari that is called array. Okay.
Okay.
So in the same way, how we are gonna be take the items from the almari, we can able to fetch the items from the array in the programming language also. Okay.
Okay.
Now, in this line, the third line, I say like, system.out.println, the cars of 2. I says of 2. Okay. What is the output of this, Varalakshmi?
BMW. Second one.
Yeah, second one is a BMW. By looking itself, you can say second one is BMW. But our almari index starts with 0.
0.
Right? So then
Yes,
which item will come out?
Ford.
Yeah, correct. Because it starts with 0, this one. This is the one, and this is the Ford. So if I say like, Varalakshmi, get the Ford from the item, from the almari 2. If I say that, you'll come here directly and get it here. Right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Because I given the index to you. The index starts from 0. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, the other point. So if you say like, as I said earlier, Varalakshmi, can you get me the water bottle? So you don't know the water bottle where it is. So what you do, you will get it each and every item, and finally you will find the water bottle at the fourth index, at the fifth place, basically we can say. Correct?
Correct.
So for that, we have a special way of writing that is called for each loop. Previously, we have seen this is a for loop. You understand about the for loop, right?
Yes, yes.
You know about this for loop, right?
Hello.
You know about this for loop, right, Varalakshmi?
Yes, Anna. I understand the for loop. I don't know the for each loop.
Okay, yeah. Now, can you tell me what do you mean by for each? English meaning, I'm asking. For each means each item, correct?
Each item. Correct.
So each item means, for example, you have a group of items. From that, you need each item, right?
Yeah.
That's the English meaning, right, Varalakshmi?
Yes, Anna.
Okay. Now, here, what is the group here? This is combined as a one group, correct?
Yes, yes. Correct.
So
Correct.
I want each item from this means, so all these items, it is available in this variable, correct?
Correct.
So what it does, right? For the syntax is like this, Varalakshmi. This is the cars. The cars, each car is gonna be put it here, or you can put something, any example, something like test also you can give anything. For understanding purpose, I given you as each car. So what happened, so as I say, like you will get it from first Volvo, BMW, Ford, Mazda, and Benz. Like this is the order which we are gonna get it. So in the same way, from this cars variable, first Volvo will come here in each car and print. And second, BMW, it will come in this variable and print. Third one is Ford, it will come here, print. Fifth one is Mazda, it will come here and it will print. That is the way it's gonna be happen. Okay?
Okay, Anna.
Are you convinced?
Yes, Anna.
Did you understand?
I understand. Yes, I got it. Yes, Anna.
Okay. Clear?
Clear.
How about others? Yes or no?
Yeah,
Yes,
yes.
understand.
Very good. So see, like how easy it is. Yeah, in my college days also, by seeing this name itself, I'm going 1 kilometer distance. Okay. So it is so easy, guys. If you understand really, and if you are worked on it, so then you are able to understand, like, okay, this is the concept which we have to do that. Oh my God. Got it?
Okay.
And do multiple examples on this, and we'll do the multiple dimension arrays also. Okay. In the next class, we'll do the multi-dimensional array.
Okay, so
Yes?
we will have to practice only the single dimensional, right?
Yes. Single
Okay.
dimension, you can do the practice of single dimension and add the values, remove the values, whatever the different methods are available to use it, everything, and see what you could do. Okay.
Okay.
Right? Clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So, guys, if you have any questions up to now, any questions? Anything? Are you clear?
Yes. Yes.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Saurav,
Yeah.